Good morning, students. So let us continue with the next problem. So see here, fifth one. So y which is equal to log of cos e power x. So now differentiate with respect to x here. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx which is equal to. So now see here, it is in the form of log x. What is the derivative of log x? It is 1 by x. So it is 1 divided by x. X means it is cos e power x. Then into d by dx of this inside function. That is the derivative of cos e power x. So now see here, dy by dx which is equal to 1 divided by cos e raised to x into derivative of cos e power x will be minus sin e power x into d by dx of this inside function. Derivative of e raised to x will be e to the power x itself into e raised to x. So let us rewrite this now. Dy by dx which is equal to, so I write minus e raised to x in the beginning. So minus e power x, and then sin e raised to x divided by cos e raised to x will give us tan e power x. Tan e raised to x. So this is the final answer for the fifth one. So pause the video to note it down. The next problem it is sixth one. See here, y which is equal to e power x plus e power x square plus so on plus e power x to the power 5. So now let us rewrite the function here. E raised to x plus e to the power x square plus, let us write the missing terms here. So it is e power x cube plus e to the power x to the power 4 plus last term it is e to the power x to the power 5. So this is the given function. Let us differentiate this particular function here. Differentiate with respect to x. So here dy by dx which is equal to, so now e raised to x the derivative is e power x itself plus e power x itself plus now the e power x square. So here consider this as one term. That means it is in the form of e to the power x. What is the derivative of e raised to x? It is e raised to x itself. So e power x square. Take the derivative of x square now. What is the derivative of x square? It is 2x plus, similarly e raised to x cube derivative will be e raised to x cube into 3x square into derivative of x cube will give us 3x square plus e to the power x to the power 4 into derivative of x to the power 4 will give us 4x cube plus e to the power x to the power 5 into derivative of x to the power 5 will give us 5 into x to the power 4. 5 into x to the power 4. So dy by dx which is equal to, so let us rearrange the terms here. I write this as it is e power x plus, write 2x in the beginning. So 2x, after that it is e power x square plus, so here write 3x square in the beginning. 3x square e power x to the power 3 plus 4x cube into e raised to x to the power 4 plus 5x to the power 4 into e power x to the power 5. So this is the final answer for the sixth one. Next question it is seventh one. See here, seventh one. Y which is equal to under root e raised to root x. So now differentiate with respect to x here. We get dy by dx which is equal to, so now see here, whatever is there inside the root, consider that as one term. consider that as x now. It is in the form of root x. What is the derivative of root x? It is 1 divided by 2 times root x. X is nothing but this one now, e raised to root x, and take the derivative of this particular function, the inside function, into d by dx of e raised to root x. So now dy by dx, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 times under root e raised to root x. Now what is the derivative of e raised to root x? So it is e raised to root x into d by dx of root x, into d by dx of root x. Now see here, dy by dx, which is equal to e raised to root x divided by e raised to root x divided by this term of 2 times under root e power root x. Now derivative of root x, it is 1 divided by 2 into root x. So into 1 divided by 2 times root x. So see here, dy by dx, which is equal to e raised to root x into 1, it is e raised to root x divided by 2 into 2, it is 4. Now these two are in the form of root a into root b. This one, this term and this term. These two are in the form of root a into root b. Root a into root b is equals to root ab. So this we can write it as x into e raised to root x. So this is the final answer for the 7th problem. Next problem, it is log x 81 y, which is equal to log x differentiate with respect to x. So see here, dy by dx, which is equal to, so it is in the form of log x. Derivative of log x, it is 1 by x. So we get 1 divided by log x, 1 divided by log x into d by dx of the inside function. It is log x. So here dy by dx, which is equal to 1 divided by, what is the derivative of log x? It is 1 by x. So 1 by log x, I write it as it is. 1 by log x, I am going to write it as it is. Then into 1 divided by x. So rewrite this now. Dy by dx, which is equal to 1 divided by x into log x. Ninth problem, it is cos x divided by log x. Let us go for this. Y, which is equal to cos x divided by log x. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x here. We get dy by dx, which is equal to, now the derivative of this, it is in the form of u by v. So we have to apply the quotient rule here. U by v, the whole dash, which is equal to u dash v minus u v dash divided by v square. So here u is equals to cos x and v, which is equal to log x, and u dash will be the derivative of the numerator and v dash will be the derivative of the denominator. Let us apply this particular formula now. So the formula says u dash v, derivative of the numerator, so it is minus sin x. Derivative of cos x will be minus sin x. So minus sin x, u dash v, it is log x. Then minus u dash v minus u v dash, u is cos x into v dash, derivative of the denominator. What is the d by dx of log x? It is 1 by x. So we get 1 by x here. Then whole divided by v square, that is log x the whole square. Log x the whole square. So in the numerator, let us take up the LCM. X will be multiplied with this particular term. So dy by dx, which is equal to, So I multiply x with this now. We get minus x sin x into log x minus cos x divided by x whole divided by log x the whole square. Whole divided by log x the whole square. Now see here in the next step, these two terms will be multiplied now, and then in the numerator we can take minus common. So let us do that now. dy by dx which is equal to, so I take minus out here. Inside we get x sin x into log x plus cos x divided by, so these two will be multiplied now, x into log x into log x the whole square. So this is all about the ninth problem. So pause the video to note it down. The next problem, it is cos of log x plus e to the power x. So 10th one, y which is equal to cos of log x plus e power x. So here differentiate with respect to x. So we get dy by dx which is equal to, now take the derivative of this. It is in the form of cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? It is minus sin x. Minus sin x. What is x? This term now, log x plus e power x into the derivative of the inside function into d by dx of log x plus e power x. So now dy by dx which is equal to, so I write this as it is now, minus sin x minus sin of log x plus e power x. Now d by dx of log x plus e power x. What is the derivative of log x? It is 1 by x plus, what is the derivative of e raised to x? It is e raised to x itself. So now into 1 by x plus e power x. So now dy by dx which is equal to, let us rearrange the terms here, minus, write this now in the beginning, 1 by x plus e power x. I have written this term in the beginning. Now I will write this term. So it is sin of log x plus e power x. So this is all about the 10th problem.